What's up, everybody? Well, I did it again. I tried to make another video. I started editing it, but it's way too damn long. So much cussing. In fact, I probably could have filled up my swear box several times. I guess I'll do an update while I got you guys on the camera real quick. Just the swear box, if you don't know about it. Every cuss word that I say in the video, there's a bead that's added, and I'm gonna add them all up once it's full, and we'll be donating the money to charity. Now, I did an update on this on a live stream a while back, but initially I had the words fucks and shits equaling like $5. But after doing that, I realized how much beads can actually fit in this thing, and I think it would be a little too much money, and I won't be able to afford it. So I think all cuss words are going to be $2. I think that's something that I can afford. And so there you go. I guess I wanted to update you guys about that for quite some time now, and yeah, I just didn't want to say that I was going to do something and not be able to afford it and not be able to do that for you. So yeah, so I changed out my faucet just the other day, and that's what the video was going to be about. But again, I videotaped me doing all the install and everything, but it's just way too long and kind of boring. So I'll just kind of show you real quick how it works. It's obviously, well, you know how a damn faucet works, but it's a longer neck. I've had this faucet sitting in my trailer for quite a while. I also had this little adapter piece that was sitting in my junk drawer for quite a while, and what that allows me to do is be able to turn the water on and off from right here, which is pretty dope. Somebody in that vehicle next to me probably thinks I'm a weirdo videoing this stuff. Alright. Oh, here it is. Here's the faucet. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna like this a lot more better. This is the old faucet here. Like I said, I made a mistake when I when I put this one in. It's got that little LED light that lights up, you know. The problem with that is the faucet has this built-in little LED thing, and you can't really do anything with this. You can't change it. If you wanted to put like one of those low consumption water tips on it, because let me show you what I picked up also a while back in my little junk drawer here. I picked up this guy, this little thing here, and it also has like a little cutoff valve on it, which is pretty neat. So I can have this, I can keep the water on, and then bam. So that's a mistake I made. This thing, you can't really change it out, and it's too low. With the higher neck, it should be more better. Alright, so I'm just going to be using some channel locks here. Alright, there you go. I hope you guys can understand. It's hard videotaping a how-to video when it's pretty simple, but anyway, I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope it helped somebody else out there, and yeah, hope you liked it. See ya.